Tractor through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
So here we go. We're going to give your sportsmans their first look at qualifying at a brand new track. First three cars out going to be the C4 Cameron Hawkins. Adam Mitchell going to be in chase, and Larry DeLong out of McMinnville, Tennessee, going to be giving chase. That's going to be your three. As they're going to be coming around, clicking off lap number 1. That's going to be the C4 Cameron Hawkins. As he'll go 15.717, 15.717. Adam Mitchell going to go better, 15.096, 15.096. And Larry DeLong going to be third quick, 15.836, 15.836 as lap number 2. For the 4 of Cameron Hawkins, going to go second quick, still 15.637, 15.637. And Adam Mitchell with a 15.007. That's going to be the time to beat so far. Larry DeLong going to hang out in that third spot. So your next three cars out to take time is going to be the 11 of Jathan Campbell. Going to be giving chase to him. It's going to be Chandler Hickman and Randy Griswold. Campbell going to go fourth quick with a 18.143, 18.143. Hickman with an 18.534, and Griswold 20.232, 23.232. As Hickman going to make some improvements, 15.616, 15.616. That's going to be good enough for second quick on the field. As Jathan, lap number 2 for him, going to go 16.178, 16.178. So your final car out to take time in your Sportsman Late Model Division is going to be the 12 of Nick Griswold. Griswold now on the clock. So it's going to be white flag in the air for Nick Griswold. He's going to come around clicking off lap number 1. He will go sixth quick with a 16.868, 16.868 for Nick Griswold. And hitting the clock on his final efforts, going to go 16.803, 16.803. It's going to be good enough for sixth quick. As the 50 of Adam Mitchell going to be at the top of the board with a 15.007. So here we go, race fans. We're going to dive off into your open wheel modifieds. It's going to be Colton Profit out first, Billy Jones second, and Adam Wright going to round out your top 3 here. 16.130 on our pre-lap. As now lap number 1 for Colton Profit. He'll go 14.998. 14.998, if I'm not mistaken. That's the first open wheel in the 14-second range here at Gold Mountain Raceway Park. Billy Jones going to go set 15.773. 15.773 for the 56J of Billy Jones. Adam Wright 15.980. 15.980. Colton Profit. An absolute rocket ship. As his second lap time a little bit slower, so he'll keep the first one at 14.998. The 15 out of Kentucky. That's going to be Clayton Miller, going to be giving chase to him. As we've got 2 preachers on the racetrack. That's going to be Jeff Cotterman and Clayton Miller. Going to be giving chase to those 2 preachers. Going to be the 29C out of Cookeville, Tennessee. That's going to be Joey Cotterman. Clayton Miller leading the way so far. As Clayton Miller going to take that. So your final 3 to come out and take time, that's going to be the 21 of Joey Wittenberg, followed by the 20 of Justin Maxwell and Chris Flatt. Chris Flatt out of Cookeville, Tennessee. As Justin Maxwell now on the clock, the 21 of Joey Wittenberg going to go 6th quick, 16.296. 16.296. As Maxwell going to hit the clock on lap number 1, he'll go as 16.234, 16.234.